Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am in Bertikilo Al Sahara, University in quarantine center. So guys, I'm gonna show you this place. How's good, how's looking, and how's good place. Trust me, this place are so good, and this here the army people are doing very good job and to save the people to do a quarantine for 14 days. Pretty decent place. Many people are saying different gossip for this place, but I don't think this place was so nice. They give a private room and everything for the families, and bachelors they give separate this one. So I'm gonna show you this area how it's gonna look. Okay guys, come follow me. Okay guys, so you're seeing this is the place. So these are the quarantine people, and you can sit together, but you cannot sit together. You can come outside and you can enjoy it. So pretty decent place, and government did very good job. Really I appreciate who's coming from the outside the country. They need to quarantine 14 days. After that they need to quarantine, self quarantine, and their home also 14 days, so total 28 days. But 14 days here, what you need to eat, what they are giving, the food also okay. So this place was so nice, and I'm gonna take you different round and to show this place how it's gonna look. Let's go guys. Yeah, this is the university. I think this is university of the meeting hall. So this is the back side of the place. So they make different, they divide the place. I think they divide the place, and which is ladies this side. You can see from this side for the ladies, and if I go around you will see they put house, the bed, they put everything. Then there's a place, the bathroom, they divide it completely separate. That is for only this area, completely for the bachelors, right? Not for the family, but still you can go and have a look. But this place, yeah, they give TVs, and for the entertainment they give free Wi-Fi here to pass the time. So that was the mainly thing. And they have a they given the washing machine to wash your dress, and see they give a washing machine to wash the dress. And they have a separate bathroom for the gents, like washroom, and they have separate washroom and separate shower place. This place, see, there are people are gathering also, but gathering is there, but next place. Okay, when you see this one, you see completely bachelors, like who's came from doing the quarantine in here. This is the complete bachelor area. This is, I think, the big hall. They divide with the plywood, different rooms. Each room's like 8 people they put. Yeah, each room 8 people to do the quarantine. So these are the bachelor area, and that side, when I saw the back side, there is a ladies quarantine place, and you can see from far away that the army soldiers are there who stay in there. And I will show you inside how's looking inside the quarantine center rooms. Let's go inside and see how it's looking for the bachelor place. Okay, once you enter, this is the place, the complete big hall. They make a partition of the place to do the quarantine. They have a TV, and this, by the way, this area completely is a family. So where I'm staying, this area completely there's a family. They have separate rooms, and this area completely for bachelor. You can see this one. They make such a big place, and they have separate rooms. They identify with the rooms, and even if you want to contact with the army people, they make a separate extension. If you have any emergency and everything, they have extension. That is really good. And see, this is the fan. They give so much facility. This place so nice. This is a big fan bringing outside the roof, from the roof outside the air and everything to cool this place, and completely they insulate with the, I think, acrylic sheet to not to come the heat. So this place even, yeah, again, so this place, yeah, completely people are saying this is heat area, Batikilo, this is University, but I don't think this is the heat place, because this completely they make a insulate, and completely they did the cooling place. And see, there are many fans are bigger. These are the very big fans to bring all the way from up roof to ground the cool air. It's like a similar to AC. And these are the rooms. They separate with the 3-meter distance. And I will show you from outside because all the doors are closed. I will show you from outside how the room is looking. So you guys don't afraid to come to do the quarantine in government sector. The people are going for like yeah. Again guys, I am saying don't afraid to come for the government sector. People are saying the hotel booking is good. I'm not complaining hotel booking also, because hotel booking is, yes, you have all the facilities, you have good food, and I'm not complaining here bad food. Here also there's a good food, you have everything. But from hotel booking and government sector, there's a very big difference. So when you go to the hotel booking, yeah, you need to quarantine in the room, right? You can't come out. You can go to the balcony and your room, but here is not like that. You can come out. There's a distance they make. You can see the borders. You can't cross this border, but you can come out and you can take a nice air, and you can talk with your family. They give a SIM card, of course. They are giving SIM card, free internet and everything. You will not feel like something like you are in trouble. I don't know how to say, but you will not think that something is different. But trust me guys, this is a very good place. I don't know how about the other place. Of course, Sri Lankan armies are doing this. That will be really they will be the good place. So I'm sorry. So guys, try to understand. If you are coming from embassy, the embassy is try to helping us to come back to the country. So this, yeah, that's it. Everybody's saying because my friends are saying go to hotel booking because you have a family, you need to care. Only things you need to do here, you need to cooperate the army. That's it. You need to cooperate them according to what they are saying. So for that way, if you cooperate, you within 14 days you are out straight away, within 14 days. So that's the main part. If you communicate with the army, you will be out very fast from like 14 days. If you don't communicate, you are gathering like unnecessary things. So after that, in case someone is positive, so you need to be there another 14 days. That is really bad, you know that another 14 days is really bad. So guys, again, keep in mind, whoever come to the quarantine, wherever in here or Kandakadu or Batik, in many places, I think there are different places. Please note that don't gather it. Follow what the army they're doing instruction according to that. So you will be going very fast. It's really good, really. Okay guys. So today I did a small video to you guys to know what is happening here in Sri Lanka and quarantine centers and everything, because I don't think people are dead. So this is my quarantine videos. So guys, be careful. This is the situation we need to live now for timing till the vaccines come. So keep safe, stay home, and keep safe and keep a distance. Okay guys, so signing off with you, Sana Vlogs. See you on next video. Bye.